Hey everyone, in this video we will review Plooto. Plooto is an online payment automation platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It helps you manage both accounts payable and accounts receivable in one place. With Plooto, you can send payments to vendors and suppliers in just a few clicks. You can also collect payments from customers through a pre-authorized debit or credit. It connects directly to accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, so your books stay updated automatically. One of the best features is automated approval workflows, letting team members review and approve payments before they go out. Plooto supports both domestic and international payments, with no need for writing checks or visit the bank. You can track payment statuses in real time and get notified when money is sent or received. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of your cash flow at a glance. Setting up vendors and clients is easy, and once set, payments can be recurring or one-time. It's secure, compliant, and built to reduce manual works and errors. Overall, Plooto helps streamline your payment process so you can save time, stay organized, and focus on more of your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.